a Boeing 747, which isn't something I've ever done before. I don't know about you. That is really quite a steep climb. I've got to duck down so I can see where he's going. Oh bloody hell, this is steep. I know we've got, what is it, 5 litre V8 supercharged engine, but it's still 2.1 tonnes. Oh, this is horrendous. Oh, this is absolutely terrifying. I daren't actually look into the side. I can just see hands in front of me.
The wing is a great way of showing the level.
Okay, the hands have disappeared. Oh, we're in the plane. Yeah. We aren't gonna die now. We're no longer gonna die. Slightly concerned that we were. What the hell's that noise? Okay, we're going to fall over now. This is, well, I mean the camera there, you can see the floor, that's all we're seeing. This is incredible, this is 2.1 tonnes of Land Rover metal. Currently at row 18 of a 747. I don't even have words. I have no words I can use right now. This is going to be the world's worst video. Just Jesus. Oh my God. Gareth, I apologise if I do kill you. You know, I'm just following his instructions.
Well, no, I wouldn't know you're responsible. It wasn't your idea.
There we go. Oh. Yeah, we're in economy now, but there's a big slope ahead that's taking us up to first class, seemingly. We're going up the stairs to first class, that's it. My guide is gone. I have no idea. I could have just killed him, I've run him over. No, there he is, there he is.
This is first class, if you want champagne or something.
Fantastic, so here we are, we're in first class accommodation and we've got the pilot in front. See, this is where I'm used to sitting, but I tell you what, first class seats in this aren't quite as good as BA's.
We're going to find out what it's like.
Everything's just fallen off the back seats.
Okay, stop here. Now the descent control is working. The steering wheel straight and no brake. Release the brake.
No brake?
No brake. Off brake.
Okay, this idiot of a man wants me to actually take the brake off. Okay, this is it. No brake.
Go.
That's it. We're on our own, and the world's worst Fast and Furious remake. As it just takes us down. My feet aren't on the pedals. I'm not touching anything at this point. This is amazing. Fantastic. This is absolutely phenomenal.